Good medical morning. I'm Watson, and this image comes to us from Figure 1. Let's look at it in detail. And special thanks to New Res for letting us share the image in the name of education. Can you identify what it is? Here's what one professional had to say about it. If it's non-painful, measured by FLAC score since the child is under 3 and non-verbal, I would assume that there is nerve damage to tissues surrounding the area, possibly insect, animal venom, some type of chemical perhaps. I would start with vitals and a full neuro assessment. It would also be helpful to know how long it took the hand to get that way, what the child was doing before it was first noticed, and what part of the world this child lives. End quote. What do you think? Could it be animal venom or chemical? Leave a comment below. Also, can you identify this condition? The doctor says the patient is a 51-year-old male who drinks 1 pint of vodka a day. The condition has been around for 2 weeks. He says he has tried all creams in the past, and tacrolimus cream does help in spots. However, he has tried methotrexate in the past to no avail. What is it? Leave a comment below and read the comments of other medical professionals. My best guess is plaque psoriasis. Psoriasis is thought to be an immune system problem. Triggers include infection, stress, and cold. The most common symptom is a rash on the skin, but sometimes the rash involves the nails or joints. Treatment aims to remove the scales and stop skin cells from growing so quickly. Topical ointments, light therapy, and medications can offer relief. What do you think? Is it psoriasis?
I've always had trouble sleeping at night. For example, last night I just couldn't sleep. It was about midnight. I took 2 Rest More, and within 30 minutes I was asleep. I didn't wake up at all through the night. I didn't wake up groggy. Check it out.
Restmore is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Restmore. Now available on Amazon. Good night.